Lumens, your success, our focus.
Let's look at how to manage multiple LC200 devices using Lumens Deployment software. We will focus on two functions in this video: discovering devices on the network and setting up groups for your devices. Step 1. Let's start by looking at the basic equipment you need. All that's required is the Lumens Deployment tool software installed on a Windows PC. Go to the Download section on the Lumens website. Search Lumens Deployment tool and download the installation file. Step 2. Install the software on your PC. Click on the installation file that you've downloaded. Follow the instructions and you're ready to begin. Open Lumens Deployment Tools. Type in username and password, then click Login. By default, both the username and password are admin. Step 3. Discovering all your LC200 devices on the network. Go to the Device tab. Click on the magnifying glass icon. All the LC200 devices on your local network will be listed. Step 4. Now you can create LC200 device groups. This will help you configure and maintain your devices much more efficiently. Go to the Group tab and click the New Group button. Type in a group name and click Save. Repeat the same steps to create the Class B group. Click the Edit icon of the group. Click on the magnifying glass icon to search for LC200 devices. Select the LC200 units you would like to add to the group. Click the arrow button to move devices into your group. Click Save to store the settings. Once an LC200 is in a group, it will disappear from the list on the left-hand side. Now you can go back to the Device tab and filter LC200 units according to the group they belong to. Just click the Group drop-down menu and select the group name as required. You will see the devices that are in your selected group list. Now that you've created groups, you're ready for the next stage, group device management. But for now, you're done. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.